Hey everybody, so we are going to play around with the Nomad palette by Juvia's Place. I do have some swatches for you. There are 9 shades as you can see here. Beautiful, beautiful. All of them scream fall. I have been loving greens lately, and in this palette you have a nice deep olivey green. You have like a shimmer green in here that's kind of deep as well. You have that dark brown that I love so much. You have some golds. You have like a yellowish tone, and then you have this schmuggly shade right here in the corner. That's the only way I can describe it. It's like muddy, but it's gorgeous. This is the type of shade that I would love on my nails, on my feet, everything during the fall. Maybe a purse that color. That it's so pretty to me. It is like a ugly shade. It's ugly pretty. You know what I'm saying? That's how I describe it. Ugly pretty. But I want to put that shade on my lids. I am dying to see what that looks like. So that is what I'm going to do today. So we are going to start off with our e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to put this primer all the way around my lid because whatever I do is going to be nice and smoky. So it's going on the bottom lash line as well as the lid. Next, I'm going to go into the NYX concealer. This one is in the shade Tan. It's a lot lighter than me, but it's going to help all of these earthy tones show up. So we're going to use that. Alright guys, so as you can see, I put on the concealer using the Sigma Edge Precision Brush. I am a Sigma affiliate. I do have a discount code TMC10 at checkout to get 10% off. I then took my finger and just blended it out because your finger is nice and warm. And sometimes when these bases and concealers come out of pots and your room might be a little cool, it gets a little hard. So your finger is just like perfect to smear that stuff out. I'm just going to take a little bit of my face powder and go over that concealer a bit. Just set the concealer. And it does make shadows go over this area a little easier. Alright friends, the next thing we're going to do is go into this matte yellow right up here. And I'm going to apply that right underneath the brow bone. Let me get me a little mirror so I can see a little closer. The next shade we're going to put on is this brown right here. That's going to be somewhat of our transition area shade. The next shade we're going to apply is this deep brown that I was telling you guys about. Love that brown. You're going to start off with it nice and low, and then you're going to do little circle swoops and build it up. Alright guys, and now we're going to put that schmuggly shade on right there. Oh, I love that. Such a fall shade. Okay, I'm gonna go around it because it's so dark, huh? I like it. I'm not gonna say I don't like it. It's supposed to be dark. We're gonna go around it a bit with that brown. I'm just going to take my finger and go into that shiny, beautiful shade there in the center. I'm going to add some of that to the very center of my lid. That is so pretty. So pretty. And I'm just going around that gold with the shades that I already used. So that deep brown is on the outer side and that schmuggly green is on the inside. Taking a clean brush and just going around just a little bit. All right guys, this deep green right here, I'm gonna put that in my bottom lash line. The pigmentation of the palette is insane, just like all the other ones. Very nice pigmentation. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some black in my waterline. We're gonna apply some mascara to our bottom and top lashes. I am going to add a lash, but you don't have to. But I think it will just take the look over the top. If you want to add a wing, I think you can, but I'm not going to do that this time. And this mascara and this mascara wand is really surprising me. This is the waterproof mascara from Urban Decay, the Perversion, but in waterproof. It really pulls your lashes. It looks beautiful. That really surprised me. I think I like this better than the regular formula. I'm gonna go away, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back, so stay tuned. All right guys, so that is what the lids are looking like. Beautiful, beautiful. The palette is gorgeous. You can get away with lots of smoky eyes. That gold is like brilliant, beautiful. I cannot wait to use that sparkly yellow shade. So you're gonna see a lot more looks with this palette. Right now I'm gonna go right into my face. So we're gonna set this part to music because I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation. This one is in Angola. I do have a review on it. And basically I'm just doing the same things I normally do to my face. So we're gonna speed this part up and then we're gonna come back with the lips, okay? Alright guys, and this is your completed look. And the lipstick that I have on is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm trying to find it. Oh, here it is. It is called Seraphine, and I do have a complete video where I swatch all of their liquid lipsticks, so check that out. I just added on a clear lip gloss on top, and that's it. I also think that it'll look nice with this brown. I have a beautiful brown shade. I think it'll look pretty with that, or a neutral lip. It will be pretty with a neutral lip as well. But beautiful, beautiful palette. I had to use my, I went back and used that sparkly yellow in the palette, and I had to use my glitter glue for it to really stick, because I didn't have you know, a base down in the corner of my eyes. So to make it pop, I used my glitter glue. This is from Too Faced. You guys know what that looks like. So I just tapped that in the inner corner of my eyes, and then I went over it with the eyeshadow, and it really made it pop. So very nice. And you do see some sparkle when you get up close. So I think it's going to be a very pretty shade to put all over the lid. I think it's going to be very pretty. So you guys let me know what you think. I'm going to leave every single item that I put on my face down below. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Cyber kisses. Bye.